What's up, y'all? So, last night, there was a pretty big earthquake and it shook our apartment. It was scary. So, I've been watching prank videos all morning, and so we're gonna prank John, my roommate, me and Epic.
Yep.
So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna act like there's another earthquake, and we're gonna freak him out. I feel kind of bad, though, because there really was an earthquake, and it's kind of like crying wolf. Not really, but we're gonna get him. Alright, see you soon.
Oh, earthquake! John! Earthquake! John! Earthquake! Earthquake comes! That didn't work very well.
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher.